Ngithathe ithuba ngibulise kumfundisi Dlamini, umfundisi uTiro yabona ongaphakathi kwethu. Ngibulise abashumayeli, ngibulise omama, madodana, intombi. Ngibulise Wesley Guild, One Heart, One Way. Ngibulise ichoir, One Song, One Voice. Ngibulise kwiindwendwe ezingabe zikhoyo ngaphakathi kwethu. Ngibulise kodwa ngokubalulekileyo, ngibulise isithando sami. Ukanye yaqaphela sifana nesibendise naso last year. Ngibulise naye wonke umuntu olivayo ilizwi lami ebusuku nje egameni leNkosi yethu enguYesu Kristu. Amen. Mandibulele mfundisi uDlamini for the opportunity to come and gather here kwakhona. Ibongani Circuit is becoming second home. It is good to be with you once more. Uthixo yanga angaqhuba ukunigcina, anisikelele, anithwale, anibambe ngesandla xa niqhuba usebenza in his vineyard. Uthe utata uNqweniso xa ethandaza wathi uzovulwa ichibi. Apho kuzokwenziwa khona a plea kuThixo to say inhliziyo ezi zingaphakathi kwethu zingabe zingcwelekile, zimeko zobonga zaziwa nguwe. And so we bring those hearts, sizivula, sizendlala phambi kwakho. So by no means mfundisi uDlamini should abantu expect uba ndizandinayo imbiliso, andinayo. Kodwa ndizozama isichibi ofunayo. Masingambazeni esekhethi yasebongani. Masithandaze. Now, Lord, in your vineyard, I labor. Amen. Amen. Bengithe namhlanje asihlangananga enkonzweni nje eqhelekileyo njengezinye. Kodwa ndicela xa sizawungena kwelithuba lokuzuzwa kofefe kaThixo. Singene into a sacred space of healing. Naxa singena kwelithuba asingeni ngengqondo yoba sizoza phambi koThixo sizokuzenzisa. Asingeni apha kwelithuba sinengqondo yoba thina sizokhohlisa uThixo sithi naxa inhliziyo zethu zingalunganga sithi Thixo konke kuhamba kakuhle. Singena into a sacred space, a holy place. Singena kwithuba apho simemelwa khona ukuthi size phambi kobuso bukaNkulunkulu nobukaThixo sizoba neqiniso phambi kwakhe. Amen. Sizothi Thixo ndikunqanelwe ngakho konke. Ukwindawo ebomini bami apho ndilila khona ndifuna wena. Siza phambi kobuso bukaThixo sizothi kuye ngosezinhliziyo sizinikwa nguwe zaziwa nguwe nazi sebenza ngazo. And so we come phambi kobuso bukaThixo in this moment to bring all our stresses, to bring our heartbreak, to bring imithwalo engabe siyithwele emagxeni ethu nentandabuzo engabe sinazo ngaphakathi kwinhliziyo zethu sizizisa into the presence yomsindisi onguYesu Kristu obona konke owazi konke naxa kunjalo osaqhuba sithanda sonke. And so as we come into this moment, the sacred space, we do not need to fear any judgment at this moment. Khawuke for a moment ulibale ngomuntu ohlele ecaleni kwakho uba uzawuthini xa ndisisa into yam phambi koThixo. Kasike sithathe ithuba sike silibale siyeke ukuzixelela uba thina singabaphuke kakhulu, we are even beyond repair. uThixo invites us at this moment because broken as we are, it is not too late uba sizise inhliziyo zethu ngaphakathi. Ngoba uThixo akakude uba isandla sakhe singasizi. Nendlebe yakhe ayithunda uba mayingasizwa masikhala kuye. And so we are invited into a sacred and holy space. Lapho khona sizoma ngeqiniso phambi kobuso bukaThixo sithi Thixo nangu Nkosi ndimi phambi kwakho. So come. Ichibi lizawuzamazama. Ofunayo uzawungena. I advise you uba xa lizanyazanyiswa ichibi ngena. Ngoba uKristu ulapha. Sinento esiyenzayo singabashumayeli nabafundi sithi simeme ubuko bukaThixo. Thixo ulapha. Sithi singena ebukhoneni bakhe. And so uThixo ulapha. uThixo uye osinika impiliso. Sifunde kwincwadi ezimbili. Ivangeli mobhalwa nguMateyu. Safunda nencwadi ebhalelwe ibandla lamaHebheru. So allow me this evening xa sizawuzama usondela kuThixo to share just a few things from these two books. Now, it might have been strange for us to take a step back ngoba le ncwadi levangeli kaMateyu incwadi typically esifunde ngoLesine before uYesu Kristu ezawubanjwa. And so it may be strange that we have gone backwards. But allow me to say, uYesu Kristu stands confidently as an agent of healing for us. Ngoba wayifumana kuqala. uYesu Kristu in the Gospel of Matthew useGetsemane. Uhamba nabafundi bakhe. Siyaxelela uba he takes a moment to go and pray. And says kubafundi bakhe, hlala napha nilinde nithandaze. Now we are not told in the narrative expressly about uYesu Kristu yintoni le ebeyimpusha to begin with to go into the Garden of Gethsemane. Well, we know egadini yaseGetsemane uYesu Kristu kulapho ebeya khona ukuncokola noThixo wakhe noBawo wakhe at most times. But another reason at this particular moment uYesu Kristu goes to the Garden of Gethsemane is because uyatsho kwayena xa ethetha nabafundi bakhe uba umphefumulo wami ubuhlungu kakhulu. He says this because he realizes the moment that is ahead of him. He realizes the reality yalento ebekezoyenza njengoba besehlabathini, what he has been working towards up to this moment. And so when this realization comes to him, uYesu Kristu is filled with agony. uYesu Kristu is filled with fear. uYesu Kristu shows us in this moment uba ungumntu njengathi uyoluka. But in the midst yokuxabhaxabisa ubomi bakhe at this moment, uYesu Kristu decides to go back to that sacred space where he has ubudlelane noThixo wakhe. He goes to the Garden of Gethsemane and begins to pray and negotiate with God, saying, Thixo, xa ingabe le ndebe ingandlula kum, mayigqithe, kodwa mayingagqithi ngokuthanda kwam, mayigqithe ngokwazi nokuthanda kwakho, ngoba lo msebenzi endiwunikwe wona ngowakho, and so do according to your will and not my own. And so Yesu Kristu is in the space at Gethsemane, a place that crushed. He's at a place mentally where his spirit is being crushed. He begins at this moment to feel the full weight yentezayo xa izawunyuka emnqamlezweni. Xa ethi umoya wami wongamelwe kubuhlungu to the point of death, he says the depth yengqaku uYesu Kristu ajongene naye ebomini bakhe enhliziyweni yakhe at this time is even more than amagama can express. And that is why xa ethandaza we are told uyajuluka uYesu Kristu, and xa ebila his sweat drops like blood, droplets of blood. He prays and says, Bawo xa ingabe kuyenzeka mayindlule kum le ndebe, kodwa hayi ngokwazi kwami nokuthanda kwami, kodwa ngokwazi kwakho. uYesu Kristu, because he acknowledges uba inhliziyo yakhe ixwele ntoni, akazi phambi kobuso bukaThixo azenze uSuperman at this time, telling them uba konke kulungile. He prays amidst the distress esenhliziyweni yakhe. He does not run from it, kodwa he takes it to the one which it belongs to you. He remains in communion with his Father. And so real impilo esephilayo nebambekayo ebomini bethu will begin with us truly acknowledging phambi koThixo uba inhliziyo zethu zibuhlungu, inhliziyo zethu zithwele, inhliziyo zethu namagxa ethu ayasindwa. And so Yesu Kristu onguThixo, here is our heart ngaphambi kwakho. Go to the corner of God and pour your heart out kuThixo, because when the pain is so deep that words can't explain, we need to come into a space of honesty with Him. We need to come to a space where we commune nalowo onakho ukusinika amandla omkhulu ngaphakathi kwethu kunalo osehlabathini. And so uYesu Kristu, under the weight of the cup of suffering, does not run away from the cup of suffering, but takes it to the one who gave it to him in the first place. So in the weight of our hearts, don't go anywhere else. Go to the one who knows knows your heart. Go to the one who gives you the task ahead. Be honest with God. And that's where God begins his work. Now uYesu Kristu, as he is in the garden, had come nabafundi bakhe. Wathi kubo hlala napha nilinde nithandaze. Now abadisipile bakhe ngabantu flesh and blood, badiniwe bayalala. He comes back to them and says, nilele madoda, ushubile nilele. Get up and pray. He goes back with your tandasa, comes back, finds them asleep. He says, guys, unzima, wake up and pray. He goes back with your tandasa. He comes back again and he finds them balele, and he says, you know what? Forget this. I can imagine uYesu Kristu abadisipile bakhe ibingabahlobo bakhe who were close to him, ibingabantu who he relied on in his ministry, ibingabantu ebecinga uba when things got tough as they did ngabantu ebebezawuba secaleni kwakhe. But lo and behold, at that moment when he needs them, they fail him in the best way possible. They fall asleep. I'm sure when it was heartbreaking to see this. Not because they slept, but because in the moment where Jesus Christ needed them, they were nowhere to be found. And he says, the spirit is willing, but the flesh is weak. Not indicating to them, but I ponder. Anyway, this is not about you. And so he moves on. And so what he teaches us by doing this is that of being honest in God, people will not always be there to walk with you. Abantu abazuba khona ukuhamba nawe enhlungwini yakho, abantu abazuba khona xa unida uncedo lwabo. It is the English proverb that says, when days are dark, friends are few. But in this case, Jesus Christ reminds us, he stands in the gap for us. He stands in the pain with us. He stands in the feelings of anxiety with us. And so our hearts may be heavily burdened, but uYesu Kristu is present in the suffering. You are never truly alone, for when others are spiritually absent, uYesu Kristu is present, standing in the gap. uYesu Kristu does an amazing thing in the Garden of Gethsemane. At the third time when he comes and finds them, belele, uthi phakamani, masihambe, yeke lo, the last part, yalo zayo, ozam no, leave that one. Uthi get up, let's go. By saying that, uYesu Kristu makes an act of surrender. But what is special about this act of surrender is that it may have looked as though it was an act of surrender in weakness because ubanjiwe a few seconds later. But the truth of the matter is that uYesu Kristu made an act of surrender in strength. When he says get up and go away as what is coming ahead, he speaks words of someone who faces the storm in front of him in prayer, but chooses to come out of the storm with peace. uYesu Kristu says to us this morning, that is not a sign of weakness. Because abantu basijongile uba yini xa ngeza kule altare ndizoguqa uzothina uNtobeko ngami, uzawucinga ntoni umama ubalibani ngami. uYesu Kristu says at this time, when you hand over your weaknesses in strength, it is actually the doorway to healing, because you forget about all that is around you and you hand over and surrender it all in strength to God, because it is from God that it came and it is in God's hands where it resides. And so when we stop fighting in Ngakizetu, when we stop trying to fight this, when we stop trying to fight the principalities and the powers in the spirit, it is when God takes his place and opens the doorway for healing and allows us fullness. Yesu Kristu, as I will close, says, do this because I have done it, overcame it, and I understand it. In the book of Hebrews, which was Nombingeleli omkhulu, Umbingeleli who is bigger than all the high priests of the past, Umbingeleli who was tempted in the same way as we were, but chose not to sin. And so Yesu Kristu is able to secure the position of being a high priest because he knows the suffering is included. He knows he knows about ukudinwa nokungcweleka emphefumulweni intoni. He knows ukukhanyelwa intoni. He knows ukunikelwa entabeni sakhe intoni. He knows what overwhelming feels like. He knows how it feels to cry out, Abba, Father, and there is no one there to answer. And so when you go through that, he says you don't have to do it alone, because I stand as a high priest who is able to sympathize with you. Not only sympathize with you, but feel your pain with you. And so, Mbiliso Yesu Kristu asinika yona is not a distant healing. It is rooted with Yesu Kristu holding us by hand. It is rooted in the footprints in the sand not being ours, but his, because he carries us. The healing Jesus Christ provides for us is a healing that is personal to him, because it is a healing that was granted to him by God the Father in the Garden of Gethsemane when all was lost and you were scared and said, Father, if this cup can be taken away, take it from me. He brings healing because he understands where we have been. And so, inhliziyo zethu zingabe zikhathazekile sithwele, kodwa sinomlingelelo omkhulu okwaziyo uvelana nathi. So come. Bring them. Ziziseni umlingelelo omkhulu, ningakhathali uba mseceleni bakho uzawuthini. Bring them kumlingelelo omkhulu, not thinking about what tomorrow holds, because it's all his own worries. Uthixo uthi now. Urimuleki wabosuthu baka sisalidele. How ukhatha ikhamuse yami khatha bitsaka, because sinombingelelo omkhulu who stands now and says, bring it all. He carried it on the cross for us this one. He still carries it for us today. Apelani. Yesu Kristu went into Gethsemane, which is our problem. We end up getting comfortable in Gethsemane. Jesus Christ kanga Gethsemane, afike ahlale Gethsemane. Wayibeka ingxaki yakhe phambi kuThixo, wacela uphakama, wajongana naye. So bring it to God. Trust that God will take care of it. But get up and go and face it. The only difference with how we do it from here is that we don't get up alone. We get up with the high priest, who doesn't go into the secrets of the holiest of holies to bring our sacrifices, but deals with them. I think about it is scared and hearty. I need to get a full of it is anointed with oil and overflows. Because it's the God of overflowing grace. It's a God who freely gives us grace. He's the high priest of Velana Nati and gives us Ufefenwa Kindan. And so ziletheni kuThixo sonke. Ninethemba loba uzasiphatha. Xa nigqibapho niphakame in confidence. It is the writer of Hebrews says, let us approach the throne of God with confidence. Confidence not coming from arrogance, but we've got this. But the confidence of knowing we are getting up, going and face it. No bingelelo mkhulu backing us up. So bring them. Because he knows. UThixo waziyo. UThixo sikhathalelayo. UThixo siphilisayo. Ungubingelelo omkhulu. When we face them, gives us amandla. Ukuthi emvini kwakho konke. We have a privilege thinabantu abakholwayo to be an example ehlabathini. UThixo ubetha thina to show us, to show ihlabathi uba he's there. Think about it this way. Ndisuke eRhawutini nekhaya. Now, lately ekhaya there's a trend of rioting, a trend of striking for services. So when they do this rioting ekhaya, it's a big intersection ekuthiwa KwaBesta. Well, KwaBesta, there are 4 traffic lights that are there. Now when they riot, KwaBesta unfortunately always seems to be the first victim of the rioting. The traffic lights is KwaBesta, ziyabethwa ziwe. Sisuswe rioting. Yenzeke ke riot liwe irobot ubhuti. Now ngenye imini ndiyathunywa ngumama ba ndiye eshop fanele ndihambe ngakaBesta. Bese ndiqhuba ngoko. So ndiyafika KwaBesta ndiyabona uba ayiziwile. It means there was something happening here. But now what is interesting to me is that kukho this one of these traffic lights elele ngecala. But ilele nje ngecala imani yadanyaza. Ithi green, ithi yellow, ithi red, ithi green, ithi yellow. Kodwa ilele ngecala. Now it's interesting to me why eli robot ilele ngecala lisabhanyaza when all the others aren't. And so I go closer to this traffic light and I can see uba lilele nje ngecala. Intambo zombane zisaxhunywe. And so the reason it is able to still flash the different colors, indoba intambo zombane zisaxhunywe. And so uThixo usibiza uba silele ngecala intambo zombane mazinganqamuki. Masithi naxa ilizwe lisibetha siwa silala ngecala simane siganyaza asibone isidirection intambo zombane ziqhunyiwe. Sibizela empini noba sifumane impilo isezawuphinda isivuse kodwa uthi naxa usawulele nje qhube kudanyaza intambo zombane mazingaqhawuki. Ngoba thina singabantu who have a backing yomlindile yomoya. So carrying the power of that connection, even though uThixo ongaphezu kwethu zonke, uThixo saziyo ukuthetha nokuhamba kwethu kwasiwa nguye. Come indawo isekhona, ixesha lisavuma. This is the time athi umculo wasewisile and no more delay. This is the Lord's accepted day. So come and receive
while you are here. Oh, Bablokona Yako, Padam Jonganinas. Go with them with the backing of the high priest. Just on my time. I'm Sigale no Shina Louisa. Boku Putin. Amen.